Run that up, Lo.
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Samiljulissa, or you can just call me Samil. But in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I got my soft locks or distressed locks, whatever you want to call it. I don't really know what the exact term is, but I did them on myself, y'all. Literally, I'm so shook at myself for even doing this. Like, I never thought I had the patience to sit here and do this, or even the creative skill. But y'all, this is a super easy video. Like, I mean, a super easy hairstyle to do. Like, very beginner friendly. Like, literally super easy. A really good hairstyle for summer, I would say. Even though y'all, like, we in the house, okay, we indoors, we inside, but it don't really matter, because personally I really love it. It's really long, sweetie. It's 36 inches. If my hair hits you, you're 36 inches too close. I'm just kidding. But yeah, y'all, I think I did a really good job on it. I really like it. I love how messy and distressed it looks. Really was the look I was going for. So if you guys enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up. If it helped you, I'm really happy that I could teach you something, because this honestly shook me. So I'm gonna stop talking and let's just get right into the video. Okay guys, so sorry that it's really bright. It's nighttime right now, and don't even look at that pimple. Like, just don't mind how crusty, dusty I look right now. But my mom parted my hair for me. She did kind of big parts, so honestly I don't really know. Some of these I might have to go back and like split in two, because some of them are really big. Just kind of depends on how full it looks. I want it to be pretty full, like, you know, I want like full hair. But that's just, we'll just see how that turns out, whatever. I'm really not that opposed. I really like the parts and everything. But yeah, so this is just what my hair looks like. I'm gonna take it out of this bun. So these are just kind of like the braids or whatever. She didn't braid all the way to the end, because that don't really matter. But yeah, I just have them in this bun for right now, because I'm about to eat, and then after I eat I'm probably gonna get started, because it's only like 8 o'clock. So why not try to do this tonight? And my phone's gonna die, but I'm just gonna show you guys one more time what I have and everything. So I finally got my crochet needles. I bought a whole pack because I didn't really know what size or anything to use. I'm gonna be using my new Locs. So yeah, I'm pretty excited to do this. But we're gonna see how it goes. We're gonna have to see if I need more parts or anything like that. So to extend the locks, all I did was take the crochet needle and I put it through the end of one of the locks, and then I took the top of the locks, the little circle part, and I hooked it onto the crochet needle. And then here I just closed it and I pulled it through. So you're gonna have two little parts sticking out to connect the locks. As you can see here, they're connected, and you're going to keep that on the lock, and you're going to take the same lock that's connected to the needle and put it through the lock. You're not going to put it through it, you're just going to hook it on there just to pull it through the hole so it fully connects. And then here you just pull it through completely, and this creates the knot, and that's just what keeps the lock together basically. So here you're just going to detangle out that piece that's sticking up, and here you're just going to make sure it's fully detangled so you can wrap it around the lock, and this is just going to blend it so it just looks all the same. The locks are pretty distressed, that's the whole point of the look, so it's supposed to look, you know, raggedy and rough. So it doesn't matter like how well you do it, as long as you just wrap it around. And then you're going to take it and just wrap, and then you're going to rub it through your fingers to make sure that it's locked in. So like I said, rub it through your hands and boom, it's locked. You can use Got2b spray to make sure that it sticks, but you don't really need it that much. guys, so now I'm gonna show you how I basically put in the locks, and this is honestly super simple. The entire process is super simple. This is just the third step and how to put the locks in. Also, please excuse how terrible my skin looks right now. We're just not even gonna speak on it. So basically all I have is just these braids left, and this is all going to be flipped to the side because I kind of wanted a side part, but I can also do middle if I want it, but I want to do side part for the most part, so I'm going to do it like that. So the easiest way for me to put in the locks first is to take the crochet tool. I use the one like this size. I bought a pack and it came with a whole bunch of different size ones, but this one is the one that I chose. I'm gonna start off with this back piece right here. So basically what I do is I just take it, I open it up, I take it, I feel the root, and I just stick it in, and I leave it. So then I take my faux lock and I get the hole, and sometimes the hole is really hard to like see, so I just take a like one of these type of combs, wire combs. Is that what they're called? Wire combs? I have no idea. I just take one of these type of combs, open it up a little bit, get it in between my fingers. Also because I have nails, so it is kind of harder for me to do it, but it's not that hard. Like I said, just take you a comb and open it up a little bit. So I put it in between my fingers and I flip the crochet needle up, hook it on there, close it, and pull it through. Should slide through, just that easy. So afterwards you open it up, take the needle off, keep the hole open. Keep the hole open, take the braid, put it through the crochet hole, take the faux lock, where is it? Take the faux lock and just pull it. And that creates a knot, but it's not like a knot. You know what I mean? It just creates the base for your lock. Then I just take my passion twist hair. I took passion twist because personally, I just liked how it looked when I would watch it myself. People use Marley hair, people use a looser curl than passion twist. It just really depends on your preference, how shiny or how rough you want it to be. I like it more rough because it gives it a more distressed look, because I like the distressed locks, soft locks look. So I feel like Marley hair gives you more of a like actual faux lock. So, but yeah, I just undid it, took it apart. This one is so easy to come apart, like it doesn't get tangled or anything. Like literally just take it apart, and I just run my fingers through it like this just to get a little bit like fluffy, but you don't need it too fluffy. So what I do is I take it. My hair is pretty long, so I literally have to twist for days when I do this style. This style is much like more quicker if you have shorter hair, but regardless, it doesn't matter. It's still an easy process. And also my passion twist hair is in 18 inches. So yes, I took 18 inches because like I said, my hair is longer. So my hair is not extremely long. Like it's obviously not nearly as long as like the faux lock or anything, but it is longer. So I wanted to make sure that the hair really was gonna be the right length. So basically what I do for this is I take it, and you can, everybody does this completely different. Like you can do it however you want to do it, whatever is easiest for you. Honestly, I don't really feel like there's a right or wrong to this. I do it is I take it and I kind of fold it like this. I have like a really long side and then a short side, and I take it and I put it to the root. So the short side is in my hair. So in my hands that I'm gripping with my thumb and my index finger is the faux lock, my braid, and the short end of the passion twist hair. And I hold that at the root. This is going to make sure that it's going to be locked in, okay? It's not going to be loose. It's going to be locked in. And then I take the long side. And sorry, it keeps getting caught into my nails too. Gotta take my nails off. But I just take it and I hold it. And then I take it. This is the easiest way for me to do it at first. I don't know why. But I just take it and I wrap it around the root. Wrap it around the roots until you just get that base. Basically like that. And honestly, with this, you don't have to seal it with anything. It literally seals on its own. So I covered a majority of my hair. This is just a little piece that's left. Just take the rest that's at the bottom and keep wrapping. But you can literally cut it if you want to. If I literally didn't want to just keep wrapping, I would just cut it off and just wrap the end piece, and that'll be that. But I don't really mind wrapping this part. It doesn't like cause me any pain or anything like that, so I just keep wrapping. And then seal it with a little hand rub. And that's it. Needle, I put it in sideways because I don't want this to like rip out any of my hairs or anything. So I kind of put it in sideways just so it doesn't grip onto anything. So I just put it in there. And then I turn it up so the hook is facing upwards. So then I just take the lock and I open up the hole a little bit. Ooh, open up the hole. Attach it, close it, pull it through. And also, that should be really simple. If it hurts to pull it through, maybe your braid is too tight and you should loosen it just a little bit, because you know you don't want any pulling on your scalp, honey. It's not good, especially because of how long this hair is. It's pretty weightless, not gonna lie. It's pretty weightless. It's not really heavy or anything. Like, I feel like box braids are way more heavy than these, but still, you do not want to be pulling on your scalp because it's just going to irritate it. And I do have some irritated spots that I'm going to go in and put some oil on it and just hope for the best. But yeah, you do not want to pull on your scalp like that. Your passion twist hair, unravel it, and I just hold it at the root, and then I'm just gonna tie it around my root just to make sure it has that, you know, lock tight root.
Turn it up, love.
Okay, y'all, so that is the end of how I did my soft locks or distress locks. Y'all did this, okay? It took like a day and a little bit, okay? It didn't take me that long. But basically, I think the best thing for you to do is just split it up. Like, y'all, we're in quarantine and stuff. Like, I don't know about y'all, but me, I don't really have nothing to do summer, so I just took the time out to do it. It was honestly really easy, very beginner friendly. I've never done my own hair, like potato style like this, ever in my life. Never done box braids, anything like that. So if I can do it, you can do it, y'all. But yes, I did them. They're super long. I'm gonna show you guys how long they are, but yes, y'all, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more videos, and I'll talk to you guys in my next one.